Good morning, sir. I am Crystal Gata from BAT 4A. So, here's the breakdown of the complaints and counts of the chart. So, the Pareto chart. The Pareto chart shows the frequency of complaints in a restaurant with the complaints are arranged in descending orders of occurrence on the bar chart. So, the red line the red line, it indicates the cumulative percentage of complaints. So first, the overprice, which is the 789 complaints, and the small portion, which is the 621 complaints, contributing to the largest proportion of total issues. So together, these two categories cover 80% of the complaints, suggesting that focusing on pricing and portion size improvements could address the majority of customers' concerns. So, the remaining complaints, such as the waste time and the food tasteless, is also significantly lower lower counts, but it still contributes to the overall experience. So that is how the Pareto chart breaks down all the complaints in one restaurant.